Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated. My name is Andy, and in this video I'm going to show you how I want to fix this gasket. I have this Q7 that I've had for a couple years now, and this gasket completely deteriorated and it's falling apart, as you can see, with this big hole over here, and it's very sticky, and we live in Florida, so from the sun it just gets deteriorated. And I want to do an experiment by basically, I want to cut the whole thing out and fill it with this great stuff foam that you can get at Home Depot. Fill it up, run the same profile, and then finish it with plastic dip to give it that gasket feel and look. So we'll see. I've never played with this before, but I want to try it and see how it turns out. So I've looked into this issue online, and in order to fix this the proper way, you got to replace this whole window, and it's pretty pricey, and I don't feel like investing into this car more than I need to. So that's why I want to give this a try, and let's get started. Oh shoot. The only rubber piece I left was this piece right here and this piece right here, and that's because, if you can see, the glass is actually resting on those pieces. So since they're going to be covered anyways, I decided to leave those in. So prior to use this, make sure you read all the instructions and the cautions and warnings before using this. If this is your first time using it, spray on a cardboard or something you can practice on prior to doing it. So let's begin. All right, well, let's hope it works. Now gotta wait for it to dry. So according to the directions on the bottle, it says I have to wait about 8 hours for it to fully cure. So I'm gonna have to form it tomorrow. I'll probably start cutting it and forming it with a knife tomorrow. So stay tuned for part 2. If you're new to this channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.